I'm Crystal, and today I'm gonna go over how to get a natural base. I like to take my hydration spray and just spritz it over the face. I'm gonna take my hands and just pat it in for that extra drink of water. We're gonna moisturize the skin. I like to place the product all over the skin. Taking my eye cream, I just like to pat it in just so that it really soaks it up. Moving on to base, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place the product with the brush in the center of the face. Then I'm gonna take my beauty sponge, and a great tip with these is to make sure that it's always damp before using it. And I'm just going to press it into the skin so it looks as natural as possible. When doing foundation, always make sure that you don't forget to go down the neck. And now I'm just gonna color correct under the eyes. And I like to use my fingers just to really work it into the skin. Now moving on to concealer, I'm gonna conceal under the eyes, go around the nose, and make sure you're constantly blending and working the product into the skin. And a really good tip when doing bronzer is to imagine a 3 shape on your face, on both sides. So we're gonna hit the forehead, the cheekbones, and the jaw. I'm gonna take this pot, put on my hand, work it into the apples of the cheeks. I just wanna give her some life to her lips, and I want it to be more like a lip stain rather than a lipstick. Now, using my highlighter, I'm gonna lightly stipple on top of the blush just to give that extra sparkle. It just gives you that extra luminous glow. And I would recommend using translucent powder on the T-zone just to get rid of any of that shine. And there we have a natural base.